Best LED Solar Street Lamp. We review top 5 best LED solar street lamp. YQL Solar Street Floodlight. One of the greatest aspects about this solar street light is the wide range of wattage choice between models that spaces between 100 watts to 1000 watts. This is ideal for people who have different needs in terms of lighting. There are 2 lighting modes present on this model, bright white and warm white, that can be used adjusted for full brightness. The high-tech monocrystalline silicon solar panel with a built-in photoelectric sensor means you're getting very high quality in terms of solar energy retention, and the adjustable height is ideal for illuminating large areas. Once charged, it stays lit throughout the entire night without having to rely on manual ignition, as it automatically turns on when it gets dark outside. PSG 300 watts Solar Street Lights Outdoor Lamp. A strong contender for our best premium pick. PSG gives us an incredibly powerful and versatile solar street light that can be used as front door light, pool illumination, or even a basketball court light for a late-night summer game. Unlike traditional bulbs, this solar street light provides heightened illumination due to high-quality LED bulbs, while its 6.4 volts/48000 mAh large-capacity battery can save up to 80% electricity while being used. Its handy remote means you can easily configure or simply activate the light from afar. There are multiple lighting modes including full bright mode, induction mode, and timer. After stocking up on sun during the day, this model can stay on for almost 24 hours. Niorsun 400 watts Outdoor Solar Street Light. Our premium pick is an extremely potent solar light that can provide up to 430 to 645 square feet of clear lighting. Whether it has to illuminate a parking lot, tennis court, or entire front yard, this solar floodlight is perfect for large areas. 3 lighting modes are offered by this solar street light, including dusk to dawn, motion sensing, and timer mode. Made of extremely high-quality monocrystalline cells with a 21.5 to 23.5% conversion rate coupled with an insanely powerful 400 watts output, this is a heavy-duty solar light that will do its job. ENGREPO Outdoor Solar Street Light. Our top budget pick, the ENGREPO Outdoor Solar Street Light, is a great device at a killer price. Key features include a built-in photoelectric sensor, automatic dusk-to-dawn ignition, and a smart chip that adjusts the power output as the battery capacity decreases. This allows for a much longer lighting time. You can also take charge of your lighting remotely, which allows you to turn it on and off from a distance of up to 30 feet. Its 84 high-quality LED lights offers around 150 square feet of illumination, while the battery life allows for up to 15 hours of continuous lighting, which is a very good time frame considering the price. Joylight 200 watts Outdoor Lamp. Our top overall pick due to its popularity to price ratio. Boasting a more than capable output of 200 watts, the price for this model is extremely reasonable when taking into account its performance. The LED beads integrated into the panel give off more brightness than any model with comparable parameters due to its high-tech optical lens, which make the lighting more efficient. The Joylight's floodlights cover a massive area, making sure your streets are well lit with minimal light pollution. Made from highly water, IP67 waterproof rating, one of the highest around, and debris-resistant aluminum alloys. The whole model comes with an included long-life lithium iron phosphate battery.